February of 2017 of this year is that our department first put out a safety bulletin regarding possible carbon monoxide gas leaks with our Ford utility vehicles. I can say that both Ford as well as NHTSA, which is the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, currently have open investigations regarding this particular issue, both regarding the Ford utility vehicles, specifically in the years of 2011 to 2015. On March of 17 of this year is that our department experienced our first exposure to carbon monoxide, which involved one of our APD supervisor who suffered from carbon monoxide poisoning. Since then, our department has diligently been working on this particular issue, working with our City of Austin fleet, as well as some internal stakeholders, our department, because number one is that I can say is that the health and well-being of our officers is our number one concern. Some of the steps that we have currently taken is that we have placed paper carbon monoxide detectors in all of our Ford utility vehicles. We have hardwired carbon monoxide detectors in all of the vehicles as well. We have also issued several safety as well as training bulletins providing our officers with additional instructions for prevention, detection, and the reporting of carbon monoxide leaks. The reason that we're here today is that over the last 6 days we've had an additional 6 officers who have experienced issues with carbon monoxide leaks. These officers were all treated and released. We're here today because one is that 61% of our fleet is made up of the Ford utility vehicles, and we believe it is very important that our department, along with our stakeholders in the city, take immediate action and come up with both short and long-term goals to address this particular issue.